Welcome back, everyone. If you find yourself watching this video, you are likely aware that the finance industry is experiencing rapid growth and transformation, and by the year 2026, artificial intelligence (AI) is no longer merely a concept or aspiration, has effectively evolved into a game-changing phenomenon. In this updated version of the AI Wealth Blueprint, we will be discussing how AI can provide a real and significant advantage for investors in the stock marketplace. Why now? You may wonder, why is this particular year, 2026, being identified as the ideal moment for adopting a blueprint like this? The answer lies in the fact that AI technology has undoubtedly matured and expanded in capability. The ability to analyze and interpret vast quantities of data in unprecedented speed has become accessible to everyone, regardless of whether they are working for Wall Street giants or small-time investors. This groundbreaking technology isn't the stuff of myth or fairy tale, it's real, powerful, and transformative. Power that is poised to revolutionize how we approach investment, strategies, and financial management. By adopting the AI Wealth Blueprint in its fullest form, you can potentially unlock a genuine and meaningful stock edge that can give you a competitive edge as you navigate the ever-evolving landscape of the financial market. In summary, the year 2026 represents the perfect opportunity for us to adapt, embrace, and integrate AI technology into our trading strategies and daily decision-making processes. By taking the AI Wealth Blueprint on board, you can become part of this incredible new frontier of investment opportunities that have never existed before and enjoy the benefits that come with it. First, use AI to analyze market sentiment instantly. Type in, "What's the current sentiment around renewable energy stocks today?" and let it scan news headlines, social media, and analyst opinions for you. Instead of reading hundreds of articles, you get a clear summary of whether the mood is bullish, bearish, or confused, plus the key reasons behind it. You can do the same for tech, EVs, AI companies, or any sector you're tracking every single morning. Second, AI is incredible for trend spotting. Ask it for a deep dive into emerging industries like semiconductor innovations, battery technology, or green hydrogen. Tell it, explain upcoming trends in semiconductors that retail investors are ignoring in simple language. Now, you're not just reacting to headlines, you're seeing the next big thing before it hits mainstream news, and you understand why it matters. Third, use AI as a screener on steroids. Instead of just filtering companies by PE ratio or market cap, ask AI to scan brand sentiment, management quality, and even earnings call transcripts. For example, find fundamentally strong companies that are temporarily undervalued, where management sounds confident, but the market is still pessimistic. AI can highlight businesses with solid cash flows and good growth potential that the crowd hasn't fully recognized yet. Put all of this together, and AI becomes your edge. It doesn't replace your judgment, but it gives you faster research, clearer trends, and smarter shortlists of companies to study. In a world drowning in information, the investor or creator who knows how to use AI for idea generation will move quicker, think deeper, and spot opportunities long before everyone else. Given the significance of due diligence and risk management in financial markets, no discussion would be complete without mentioning the transformative role of artificial intelligence, AI. In this context, a key aspect of due diligence involves scrutinizing financial statements, particularly when dealing with stocks. AI serves as a game changer in this process by significantly streamlining the process and enhancing the accuracy of analysis. For instance, suppose you have a potential investment in mind, and you seek to confirm its financial health. AI can be of immense assistance here by parsing and verifying the multitude of numbers required for a thorough understanding of a company's financial state. This is particularly time-consuming and laborious when performing extensive manual checks on documents, such as 10K reports, financial statements, and others. In short, AI-capable systems can reduce the burden on financial professionals by processing, analyzing, and presenting meaningful insights in a matter of seconds. Furthermore, AI can identify red flags in any financial aspect, such as high debt loads or inconsistencies between revenue and expenses. Portfolio optimization pillar number 3. Portfolio optimization. This is where AI makes your money work smarter. AI can help you find your perfect asset allocation based on your specific risk tolerance and 2026 goals. It can also monitor your portfolio for dynamic rebalancing. Instead of waiting for a quarterly checkup, AI can suggest moves the moment the market shifts. It can even help with tax efficiency by identifying tax loss harvesting opportunities, ensuring you keep more of your hard-earned gains. The AI Wealth Blueprint for 2026 is centered around making faster, data-driven decisions with the ability to adapt in an increasingly complex market. It's about providing you with the golden stock edge in order to outperform your competitors. If you're on your way to achieving financial success, don't hesitate to hit that like button and subscribe to our Stock Edge platform. Share with me in the comments how you're using AI for your money management in 2021. Thanks for watching this video, and I look forward to seeing you in the next one.